Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, today I wanted to show you a little bit more of the Ashed Tinder technique. Any tinder, could be leaves, it could be straw, it could be 100% cotton t-shirt, jute twine, that you completely and totally saturate with wood ashes will turn that tinder into a great coal extender. I have an Ashed Tinder playlist. I invite you to go check it out. It'll be in the description, the link. So today I just want to prove it to you again that it's just a great way to ignite, particularly ignite wet tinder bundles. Let me grab up some of these leaves and show you how wet they are. Now, you can take and use this jute twine just like it is. Pull out about 6 feet of it. Oh, and I'm using my Swiss Army knife, the Field Master. We're going to use the saw on this to go ahead and process up some jute too. But first, let me show you that you don't have to process it. Just take it, ball it up. Put about a heaping tablespoon of ashes on it. And really work it in there. Force it into those fibers, through and through. Now, let's go ahead and use this empty bic to ignite it. And it's ignited. Stick it down here in the roll. Don't want to smother it out, but I do want to get it down inside that ball. And that'll just keep on burning. It'll maintain that ember. It'll cause the ember to grow. And when I get ready to sort of dry out those wet leaves and start aerating it, it'll make a big fireball and make those leaves go to flame. All right, but the way that I like to use jute, get my 6 feet and cut it off. Pull out the saw blade. And sort of pull the fibers apart with the saw blade. I think this is a lot quicker than taking and slowly pulling all the fibers apart like we've been doing forever. And that's going to make a little bit better ash tinder. Once again, about a heaping tablespoon of ashes. Work it in there really well, through and through. This time we'll use the wallet fresnel lens to ignite it. Don't really need your shades because it's going to ignite so quickly that it's not going to damage your eyes. Now, don't think that jute fiber will do this on its own. It has to be ashed to do what you see happening here. All right, let's go ahead and make our first fire with these wet leaves. That wind is helping us out. All right. Now while that's drying and burning simultaneously, let's go ahead and make some ash tinder out of the 100% cotton t-shirt. Let's try this empty Bic ignition again, since the jute wouldn't cooperate with us. Stick it down there on the striker wheel. Hold it with your finger. We can do this. I know we can do this. I've done it over and over again. And it's ignited. Roll it up, not too tight. We still want it to get air. And just let it sit on the table while we use that processed jute ember. And of course, it's going to take a little while for it to drive the moisture off before we can get the flames. All right, one more time. I'm gonna have a couple leaves here. Put it back over there. These leaves are a little bit drier. All right, y'all. I hope that you'll get out there and practice with ash tinder so that you can get comfortable with it. When it comes to wet tinder and even very small kindling, this is the way to drive off that moisture and to make it ignite. Before you leave today, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and in the drop-down list, select all. And please also give me a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.